As per Kerala Treasury Code Volume 1, the pay of a gazetted officer in India shall be paid on his dash claim. Answer A. Personal claim. In the case of a gazetted officer to a non-gazetted post may draw his arrear claim in the gazetted period in bill form number. Answer C. TR 46. The TA claim outstanding of against a gazetted employee on deputation and the claim related the period prior to deputation shall be paid from dash office. Answer B. From the former office. In the case of a government employee who retired from service and to get pension for the first time, which one of the following certificate is to be produced in the treasury? Answer B. Last pay certificate. Where a government servant has been invalidated from service and it is found that some government dues are outstanding against him, the same may be recovered from his. Answer D. Death cum retirement gratuity. Amount granted to certain government servants to meet contingent charges relating to their offices before drawing bill for the amount is called. Answer A. Permanent advances. If the superintendent of government press need to refund of excess receipt on account of advertisement in Kerala Gazette, in the first instances he meets such expenditure from. Answer B. Permanent advances. In the Forest Department, which office has the power to order the payment of earnest money deposit? Answer A. Divisional Forest Officer. An endorsement on a contingent bill shall lapse dash months after the date of endorsement. Answer C. 3 months. The Treasury officer shall not pay a bill for a loan or interest bearing advance to government servants unless the claim is countersigned by dash as per Kerala Treasury Code Volume 1. Answer D. The officer authorized the sanction order. The validity of a cash order is dash months after the date of issue. Answer C. 3 months. The form of Treasury bill book is. Answer A. TR 74. The drawing officer filled up column dash and attested by the drawing officer as required by the nature of the entry therein. Answer A. Column 14. When a treasury bill book is found missing, the drawing officer shall intimate the details to. Answer D. Treasury officer. At places where the treasury transacts its business through the bank, dash, claims will be paid at treasuries themselves. Answer A. Pension. As per Kerala Treasury Code Volume 1, the bills received in the treasury after passing it and sent to the bank in a box through a special messenger who should be an employee of. Answer C. Concerned treasury. The word civil rules of practice related with. Answer C. The repayment of deposit in the High Court. The protective endorsement under need not be insisted in respect of. Answer A. Treasury Savings Bank check. As a general rule, no check shall be issued for a sum less than rupees. Answer B. 10 rupees. The letter of credit shall be issued by the Finance Department in the name of. Answer C. Divisional officers. All service pensions shall become due for payment from. Answer A. First day of the month to which pension relates. The photographs attached in the pension payment order should be renewed at. Answer D. Whenever the disbursing officer considers it necessary. The pension of an insane person may be paid to a guardian appointed under dash rule. Answer C. Indian Lunacy Act 1912. If a gratuity remains undrawn for more than dash months or year, the payment order shall be returned to the Accountant General. Answer A. 12 months. When treasure is loaded for dispatch by railway, the padlock shall be supplied by whom? Answer B. Treasury officer.